If you want to use circle to search on Samsung Galaxy A17, all you have to do is simply press and hold your finger on the home button if you use 3 buttons for navigation. And if you use gestures for navigation, you want to press and hold your finger on the navigation handlebar that you have at the bottom of the screen. And after a second or two, you should be able to see this Google overlay. And you can, for example, draw a shape around a subject that you are looking for, that you wish to Google search. And there we go, we have our results. You can of course go for products, visual matches, and so on. Instead of drawing a shape, you can also just try to tap on the photo, subject, etc. And this works as well. And besides that, there are some additional things that you can do with the circle to search. More precisely, you can just simply search by entering your phrase over here on this search bar. You can also use your microphone for that. And there is the music recognition feature, so if you tap on this one, then you can play, sing, or hum a song in order to try to get the song title. And there's also screen translation, so you can tap on this button here. You should be able to detect the source language, and you can choose the target language in order to just simply translate the screen that you can see over here. And that's pretty much it. Besides that, of course, circle to search can be enabled or disabled completely. So if it doesn't work for you, you can check if it's actually enabled in the settings. So open settings and then scroll down a little bit to display. Over here, we're gonna go to navigation bar. And then here we have circle to search, which can be enabled and disabled. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.